Let's talk about how Area Agencies on Aging, or AAAs, partner to address housing needs. Area Agencies on Aging meet the needs of older adults and people with disabilities of all ages in their communities by working with partners to develop, coordinate, and deliver an array of home and community-based services that help enable them to live well at home. AAAs are valuable community partners because they specialize in helping people of all ages secure and maintain safe housing, along with the home and community-based services they need to live stably and remain independent. In addition to offering many services and supports, AAAs recognize that to age in place, older adults need safe, affordable, and accessible housing with access to supportive services. Supporting access to affordable and accessible housing is an essential way the AAAs help to optimize the health, well-being, and safety of older adults. A disruption in either stable housing or home and community-based services could make it even more likely that a person could need to move to a nursing home or become at risk of homelessness. That's why, in addition to sharing information about housing options in the community, many AAAs provide a range of housing assistance that can include site coordination and case management, home modification and repair services, service coordination, facilitating access to AAA-owned or operated housing for older adults, working with individuals to find housing, assisting with housing applications, working with tenants in maintaining and keeping a home, and some AAAs also partner in housing development projects. Additionally, some AAA programs and services support people in getting and using housing vouchers, eviction prevention, or diversion resources that help with decluttering and support to address hoarding. AAAs also provide support in addressing homelessness and providing supports to those who are at risk of becoming homeless and resolving landlord-tenant disagreements. AAAs are deeply rooted in the communities they serve, providing robust planning, surveying community needs to inform policy and programming, and creating innovative partnerships. Looking to help older adults age in place safely with independence and access to resources in their communities? If you know your local AAA, give them a call or visit their website. Find the AAA nearest you by contacting the Elder Care Locator by calling 800-677-1116. You can also find your local AAA by zip code or city and state by visiting eldercare.acl.gov and entering your zip code or city or state in the text box that appears at the top of the homepage. This video was brought to you by the Housing and Services Resource Center, or HSRC, which is a joint initiative between the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. The HSRC fosters collaboration and partnerships between the organizations and systems that work to help people live successfully and stably in the community. The HSRC is led by the Administration for Community Living.